Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar, a great collab here. Thomas Rhett and Niall Horan, and they do old tricks. Usually they work, but they don't work anymore. That's what it's sing about, and we have a very simple song to perform here, guys. If you have a capo, and if you want to match up with the song and the sound, you put that on the first fret and 4 easy chords. That's all you need. Let's go into it. And yes, let's go through the chords. We have the G first. Okay, so that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. We have D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E, and finally we have the C. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have a main strumming pattern that goes 4 downs, and you want to play it like this with G. Okay, so notice there I'm playing on the bass strings for all of these downs, but for the 3rd down I go down to get the high notes as well, and that gives us a certain rhythm going on there. So bass, bass, top, bass, like this. And a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, so we have a main pattern that goes G, 4 string rounds, A minor 4, D 4, and C 4. Let's do that for one round. Okay, that is basically it, but we have a certain time stamps here, like 59 seconds in or 2 minutes in, and maybe some timestamp more. We have the ending is a little bit different there, so we're gonna play G4, then A minor 4, and D4. That's the same, and then you make the C just 1 down, a short pause, and then another down on C, and then you shift to D and 1 down on that as well, and you have a pause there before you start the next round with just strumming. So the ending goes like this: from G, A minor, and then the last chord D with 4 strumming rounds. We're gonna go into that ending C D again. So from D4, and then the next round. So that's it, my friends. That's how I handle Thomas Rhett's and Niall Horan's song called Old Tricks. A great country-ish and very suitable for guitar song. So good luck with this one. If you like this tutorial, please show me that. Give me a thumb up, subscribe to this channel. Be back here for next upload. See you soon, guys. Play tuned.